everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check which apps have access to your camera. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings, go back from this section, and then scroll down to privacy and security, then tap on camera right over here, and you will find all of the apps that have the access to the camera. Now if you do not want any of them to use, you can simply go ahead, toggle this off, and then these apps will not be able to use your camera settings. Now if you want them to simply keep on using, then you can again go ahead and toggle them on, and that's it. This is how easily you can find out the camera settings open for your app. And when you're simply using a new app that you have installed, it will simply ask you to give permission to use a camera and microphone. When you allow them at that time, again that particular app will be added in this list. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.